Hi everyone, welcome again to another Teacher Joseph podcast. And right now you can see the Christmas decorations in my town. There's the Virgin Mary, Jesus, the three wise men, or kings as they're known in some countries, along with a camel. Took me a little while to work out why there's a camel there, but I think that arrived with the three wise men. Yeah, and the star is there as well. I never associated a camel with the Christmas story, but the three kings, or the three wise men as we call them, and there's the angels, but not lit up, non-illuminated angels there. And we're going to just walk along here a little bit towards this Christmas tree. And there's a decoration in front of it. I mean, the tree is nice, but it's certainly nothing to rush home and tell anyone about. And there's another tree. And over by the river, there's more lights you can see. Yeah, so just behind the Virgin Mary and Jesus, you can see there Santa Claus. Well, actually, Santa's not there. It's the reindeer who are there. And nice, isn't it? A little bit poor, I thought. I mean, it's not exactly illuminations of the century, is it? A little bit bare, but still, it's okay. And there's the tree again with the lights. Fairly disappointing, but still, I do love the colours. The colours are nice, very Christmassy looking, aren't they? I don't know what that is, that thing on the pedestal. I think it was supposed to be a snowman. And this is obviously a tree. Yeah, I think it's a snowman, I think. Not so sure. I think it's a snowman, but very nice, just the same. On the bottom there, on the ground, again, I don't know what that is, but you might be interested to know that this is all sitting on top of a cemetery. They've simply removed the headstones. Oh, there's those angels again that aren't illuminated. A little bit strange, aren't they? Without the lights on. I don't know what happened to them. But yeah, this is all a cemetery that this thing is sitting on. You might see, if you look closely, some of the headstones on the ground there on the bottom, because it's directly across from the church, which you can see there. And that's where I was married, in that church. Yeah. Very nice. And there's more lights over to the right of that. Yeah, and those are our decorations. Look at that fence. I mean, really, to keep people out. Yeah, there we are, more Christmas decorations there. Just little ones on the trees. I don't know how long they'll last, bearing in mind the number of vandals and kids that we have who love to attack these things. But the colours are nice. I don't know why we treat cemeteries the way we do, graveyards. What I can tell you is that in the old days, parks and cemeteries were considered the same thing because we didn't have a lot of green. Oh, there's that delicious restaurant over there. That's Il Pescatore. They do lovely fish and chips. It's an Italian restaurant, but they also have a fish and chip menu. I've tried their pasta and their fish and chips. Really delicious. So I don't know why we do that with cemeteries, but we do. We just treat them like public spaces. They have seats. We can sit in them. And once the headstones disappear, they just become parks. And we forget that they were cemeteries. There's some places there. Well, that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this, and let's talk again soon. See you. Bye.